Hey guys, Greg Mercer here from Jungle Scout, and today we want to talk about the differences between FBA versus FBM. But before I forget, make sure you click below to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of these videos we put out. So what is FBA and FBM? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and FBM is Fulfillment by Merchant. So what does this mean? Fulfillment by Amazon means that Amazon is going to store your inventory, pick, pack, and ship it for you. Fulfilled by Merchant, just as it sounds, means you're storing your own inventory at your house or your warehouse, and you are gonna pick, pack, and ship it yourself. So let's talk about the pros and the cons of Fulfillment by Amazon. So for one, it's all around just an easier process. You can take entire cartons of product, ship them into Amazon, and they essentially take care of the rest, which is a beautiful thing. They're gonna store your inventory for you. So that means no longer do you have to tell your wife or husband that they have to park outside the garage because it's overflowing with boxes, which is a great thing. This also means that your products are gonna be Prime eligible. Rumor has it there's almost 100 million Amazon Prime subscribers, which means they enjoy the convenience of free 2-day shipping on any Prime eligible product. Because of this, you're gonna see higher conversion rates on your particular products if they are Prime eligible. So with all that being said, there are a few cons to the FBA model. You are gonna have to pay a little bit higher fees because you're paying Amazon for the pick and pack of your product, as well as storage fees. Now, the storage fees are pretty inexpensive if you move a lot of product and don't store it at their warehouse for a long period of time. If you do start to store your product in their warehouses for 6 or 12 months, the storage fees can start to add up. One last con of FBA would be you do lose a little bit of quality control if you're mailing your product directly from your manufacturer or factory straight to Amazon's DCs. When you compare this to mailing it to your particular warehouse or house, it's much easier to open up each carton and inspect it, or your particular warehouse crew, which may be yourself, is gonna be the one seeing each product. That won't be the case if you ship it into Amazon and you're using the FBA model. So let's talk for a minute about FBM, or Fulfillment by Merchant. One pro is that you are gonna have lower fees. No longer do you have to pay Amazon for the pick and pack fee or the storage fee or so forth. And especially if you're a really small business and you're just using your house, your garage to store your items, and you're doing the packing yourself, then you're probably not gonna directly recognize these costs to you. Another pro of FBM is you control the customer support experience from A to Z. So if you have a particular brand or product that you wanna make sure that your customer has the exact experience that you would like, you have much more control over it using FBM. So just like with FBA, there are a few cons to the FBM model. For one, your customers are gonna have to pay the shipping costs because no longer are your products Prime eligible. This usually means a little bit lower conversions because there is that additional fee tacked on for you charging them for shipping. Another con is it is more work for you. You have to do all the fulfillment and shipping and returns yourself. This means you have to keep in mind that you'll be the ones packing the boxes, you'll be the ones going on the post office runs or having UPS pick up from your house instead of Amazon taking care of all this for you. This also goes for the product returns. If you're using FBA, Amazon will actually handle the returns for you. They'll be shipped back to their distribution centers instead of back to your house. So keep this in mind if you want to use the FBM model. So which is better, FBA or FBM? Well, here at Jungle Scout, we love the FBA model. For one, it allows flexibility, it allows for scalability, as well as higher conversion rates, which usually means more profits. It's so nice to have Amazon take care of all the grunt work for you so you can spend more time working on your business instead of inside it. It's flexible because you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can do it while you're on vacation or while you're traveling. And Amazon takes care of the pick, pack, shipment, and most of the customer service for you. You also can't forget about the higher conversion rates due to having that Prime option for all the Prime members on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, we put together an ebook on FBA, FBM, and all the nuances of selling on Amazon just for you. You can download it by clicking the link below, entering your email address, and we'll send you the link. Oh, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.